Are you thinking about quitting YouTube? Maybe you have uploaded dozens of videos and still haven't hit 1000 subscribers. Maybe the views are low, the algorithm feels against you, and you are tired of putting in effort with no results. If that is you, don't click away. This might be the most important video you will watch today. I'm going to share the best advice for small YouTubers who feel like giving up, and by the end, you will see exactly why quitting is not the answer.
Hey creators, welcome back to Monetize with Gal,
where I share YouTube growth and monetization tips to help small creators grow faster and smarter. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button because I create content to guide small YouTubers through every step of the journey. Now let's talk about why you feel like quitting. Every creator goes through this phase. It's completely normal. 2 reasons: lack of views, slow subscribers growth, comparison to bigger creators, burnout. 3, your first 100 videos are your training ground, not your failure. YouTube success is rarely overnight. It's built video by video. Shifting your mindset. Stop chasing perfection. Focus on progress. Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare your last video to your new one. Remember, even the biggest YouTubers once had 0 subscribers. Small wins matter. First 10 comments, first 1000 views, these are stepping stones. Strategy over stress. Growth is not about uploading randomly, it's about strategy. Learn how to pick searchable topics. Use YouTube search suggestions. Check what small creators in your niche are ranking for. Master thumbnails and title. CTR is key. Focus on retention. Make videos people finish. Instead of giving up, ask yourself, what is one thing I can do better in my next video? Don't focus on subscribers, focus on impact. Even 50 views means 50 real people clicked your video. YouTube is a long game. Many creators take 2 to 3 years before real traction. Your current struggles are building the skills for your future growth. Practical advice: if you are about to quit, take a short break, not a permanent one. Rest, because rest prevents burnout. Batch record to reduce stress. You can batch record to reduce stress. Focus on making one high quality video per week instead of burning out with daily uploads. Find a YouTube community. Don't do it alone. Remember, every successful creator has a story of almost quitting. If you feel like quitting YouTube, remember why you started. Was it to inspire? If you feel like quitting YouTube, remember why you started. Was it to inspire, to share knowledge, to build a brand? That reason still matters. Don't let short-term numbers make you throw away a long-term vision. Keep creating because your breakthrough might be just one video away. If this encouraged you, hit the subscribe because I make videos to help small YouTubers like you push through the struggle and succeed. And let me know in the comments, have you ever felt like giving up? Don't forget that I love you and I'm rooting for you. See you on the monetization side. Bye-bye.